our NYJC school canteen. Stall owners arrive at school before the sun rises to get ready for the day. Infusing care and love into their dishes, these stall owners are passionate about the food they serve. Here in our canteen, food is an integral part of school life, serving many purposes such as providing pleasure and comfort, as well as helping us make our 200 friends. Food brings us together in different ways. It facilitates the blossoming of long-lasting friendships and builds meaningful connections among people from all walks of life. Holding a special place in our hearts, our canteen is a food paradise, brimming with a variety of delights from different cultures. Inclusive and diverse at the same time, our canteen educates NYJCians on the benefits of a multicultural society. This everyday space shows us that regardless of our differences, and no matter how hard times may be, food will always help us to overcome all challenges and unite us as one.
Say yes to NYJC, where students eat well and study better. Visit us at our open house a day after the release of the O-level results.